Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be continuing with my favorite travel products reviews. If you want to see more of these videos, go ahead and check out the link that I will post right about here. And I'll have more videos of all my different favorite travel products that I use consistently and I review them for you. So if you want to see more videos like this though, don't forget to hit that like button. And also if you can hit subscribe, I'm trying to get to my goal of 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2022. So hit that button, hit the bell notification so you get notified when I put out new videos. And I'm gonna just get started. So today, I'm going to talk about travel adapters for international travel. So I purchased this a few years ago. It is the Bestek International Travel Adapter and Converter. It's kind of big, however, I really like it. It comes with a cord to plug it in, and you can see it's got this type of plug, which I believe is for the UK, if I remember correctly. Don't hate me if I'm wrong. And then I've got 3 more adapters. So this one obviously is for the US, and then there are this one where they're kind of diagonal instead of straight like in the US. I'm not sure what country that is for, to tell you the truth. And then there is this one. And they just plug right in to the end of the cord, and then you plug them into the wall. And then the other end of this cord will plug into the actual adapter right here. Now let's talk about the adapter. So you plug in the cord, and then you have 1, 2, and 3 adapters for, obviously, for if you're in the US, this is what you would use. So you can get 3 on here, but then it also has 4 USB ports. So you can actually have a total of 7 items plugged in at once. All right, it does have a little on button here, and you don't need to use this if you are just using the USB, but if you need it as a power converter, you would flip this on, and what it does is it converts these into the correct power for whatever country you're staying in, which I believe it's 112 or 220. When you turn this on though, it does have it's a cooling fan to help cool down the converter. So it does have a little bit of a white noise sound to it. I believe it's like 60 decibels, but it doesn't bother me because I like to have that white noise when I sleep. But if that does bother you, then you don't use this, you just use the USB. So it would be good for charging your phone or whatever. But I take this with me everywhere, and since it has all the different adapters, I only needed to purchase this one, so no matter where I go, it works in about 150 different countries. I'm set up, I don't need to purchase another one. Plus, if I need to convert new power, which most electronics these days don't, this is great for that. But also I like the fact that you can plug in 7 things at once. So you can charge your phone, your computer, your camera, all of that, all at the same time. It's really helpful. I have used this in the UK, Ireland, and Egypt, and it's pretty awesome. So I would recommend this. I want to say it's like $36-ish. I will post the link below in the description box so that you can check it out and purchase it if you want to try it out. Again, I love it. The fact that I can take it anywhere and I don't need to buy another one. That's my favorite. I don't like to buy multiple things. So go ahead and hit like if you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to support me, you can also follow me over on Instagram at NowViewingTheWorld. Thanks for watching.